Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through likely questions people do ask around, like, can you borrow money from PayPal? Yes, PayPal offer borrowing option, but it depends on the location and the account type. And here are the main ways to borrow money from PayPal, and make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So one of the main ways to borrow money from PayPal is to use one of this method, which is PayPal credit, and this is only available for the United States only. So a revolving credit line for purchases, which is one, then offer a 6 month of interest-free payment on purchases over $99 if paid in full within that time, and also requires a credit check to apply. You can also use it anywhere PayPal is accepted. And here is a simple method on how to apply for PayPal credit. Log into your PayPal. Then after that, go to the PayPal credit, which is or apply at paypal.com/credit. If you don't want to use the app, you can simply use the website version. Just go to the paypal.com/credit. Then after that, follow the instruction to check your eligibility. Once you have that, then you can now process with the prompt from the page. Then you can now take the process, then borrow money from PayPal. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more.